Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to merge two partitions in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at your File Explorer. And the moment you have bring up your File Explorer, please navigate to the left pane where you can see this option called This PC. So from here, I would recommend you to copy and moved the important files or data that you have in these two partitions. Okay, again, copy and move the files that you have that includes the pictures, the documents, or even the important data that you have saved here in your USB partition. I would recommend you to back it up. Once you have ensured that all of such are being backed up, you need to close the window and please proceed to the start icon. So here at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and click on the option called disk management. The moment you have bring up the disk management here, you will be able to see all of the partitions, the drives that are being present or being plugged in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, in order to merge these two partition, all you need to do is you need to select this other partition, do a right click and go with delete volume. But the reason why I show you how to delete or how to back up those data that you have, because the moment you will delete this partition, you won't be able to keep all the data that you have. So it is very recommended to back up all the data that you have. Okay, so once you have backed it up, click on yes, and eventually it will be deleted and it will say here unallocated. Okay, the next step that we need to do is we need to move on to this other partition also, which is the primary partition. Do the same, do a right click and go with delete volume. Click on yes, and eventually as well it will be marked here unallocated. So since it is being unallocated, we need to create a new drive. So by that, please do a right click and go with new simple volume. So when this window would appear, please click on next, go with next again, and it will ask you to assign a following drive letter. You can choose among of this letter that is available here in this window. So in my case, I'll be setting letter Eagle as my drive letter. Go with next. And under the file system, you can choose among of these two. In my case, I'll be using NTFS. Go with next, go with finished, and wait until it will be successfully created here at the disk management. So it's now formatting. We're almost there actually. So we just have to wait for a while. So now a primary partition has been created. Okay, so from this moment on, you can now move again here your important data that you have back to the partition or the USB flash drive that you have just created. So by that, please do a right click, go with the spaced icon. Okay, so we just have to wait until this would be finished. Now, once done, you can now close the window and as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think as you have learned something from this video, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.